Hi everybody, I'm Dan at Dan's Video Reviews at shopstash.com. Today I'm very excited to introduce you to NFT Profits Course. Inside this Profits Course they show you how to create and sell and profit from NFTs. As many of you know by now, NFTs have been in the news a lot lately, and some of them are selling for millions of dollars, which really makes it the new wave of the future. I'll show you the members area later on, so stay tuned. Before I show you my high value bonuses, as I've said before, the NFT Profits course is only $7 on the front end, and if you're interested in them, there are a couple of upsells too. Here are the upsells. Number one is Blockchain Secrets. This is a 10 video training course on all things about cryptocurrency. Upsell number two is how to set up a Ripple cryptocurrency generating system. Yeah, they say RippleNet, which is the network name, is the second most popular digital currency next to Bitcoin. I don't really know how true that is, but that's for you to investigate. The cryptocurrency name, of course, for Ripple is XRP. Both OTO upsells are $27 and $47 respectively. Let me show you my incredible bonuses that you will be getting. And this is for buying NFT Profits for just $7, but you must use my link, which is below this video. If you order through the link in the description, you will get all of these bonuses from me. These are additional bonuses over and above the ones you'll find in the course. There's number one. The first bonus I'll give you is SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. Studio, which is it lets you rank higher in Google and in YouTube. Bonus number two teaches you how to get better conversion for sales online. So you'll know how you can sell your NFTs easily. You'll get bonus number three, which is how to drive traffic to your NFTs. Bonus number four is access to high ticket mastery. And this is for selling to high-end clients. And that, as for bonus number five, for your $7 of hard-earned cash, I'll ensure that you get all of my bonuses listed here, as well as all of the vendor bonuses too. These bonuses will help you get even more traffic to your NFT page, like how to get better conversion and how to go about promoting to people with loads of cash, which is most beneficial when it comes to NFTs. You really need to create a kind of a frenzy about your NFT so you can rank high up with Google search engine. And so when you have new NFT launches, people will see your NFTs first. Be sure to use the link in the description below, because if you like NFTs, you definitely don't want to miss out on these bonuses from me. Click on the link in the description below under this video, and I will quickly show you the bonuses that come with the NFT Profits course next. Quite some time was taken to make NFT Profits Course, which is a giveaway. I mean, it's a steal at $7 for you to get the front end if you like it. Of course, you can make the decision to upgrade as well. You'll be shown how to make an NFT for free. It'll show you where and how to go about selling your NFT and how you can market it and where the best places to market it are to be found, and of course how to market it, which makes it a pretty powerful and valuable course. And there are some great bonuses included as well. You can get NFT profits by just clicking or pressing on the link in the description under this video. You've seen all of my incredibly insane bonuses inside my bonus page. Now let me quickly show you the bonuses you'll be getting from the course creator. All of these bonuses put together will in fact really enhance the program. So one of the bonuses is Bitcoin Breakthrough. If you're interested in Bitcoin, this is a good time to learn about it. Bitcoin Profit Secrets, the methods and the techniques used by Bitcoin investors, so you can profit and succeed. Also, there are cryptocurrency secrets. This is the ultimate method to growing your money with cryptocurrency. So now I'm inside the members area of NFT Profits. If you were to sign up and purchase the NFT Profits course with a link in the description below this video, you'll be able to sign in, and this is what the NFT Profits course looks like. There are about 16 lessons inside the course, and you'll be able to learn what an NFT is, how NFTs work, and there's download information, a module called NFTs 101. Here we see what is an NFT, what it's all about. I'm not going to disclose too much because I want you to purchase from me using my link. And yeah, what NFTs are and what they are not, the benefits, and you can also learn how to create your own NFT. Let me play the NFT Profits introduction video, and then I'll wrap up so that you can quickly access the course and super cool bonuses with my link below this video.
Welcome to the NFT Profits course. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are the new generation of digital assets. They are a hot commodity and becoming hotter. Some NFTs are even selling for millions of dollars. They defy classification as either a security, commodity, or currency because they can hold such a diverse range of values and traits. Because non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have been in the news a lot recently, people want to know more about NFTs and how they can profit from them, and this course provides all of the information that you need to get started today. In this powerful course you will learn what NFTs are and what they are not, what an NFT is and is not. You will learn how to create, plan and set up an NFT. You will learn how to choose the right marketplace for your NFT. You will also discover the best ways to promote NFTs and how to find investing and flipping opportunities for profits. There are no technical skills required. However, you must approach NFTs in the right way to get the best results. This course will help you to avoid common mistakes that are made with NFTs. Everything that you need to know about NFTs and how to profit from them is in this powerful course. Plus, you will receive 3 bonuses. First, you will receive Bitcoin Breakthrough, where you will learn how to profit from Bitcoin. The second bonus is Bitcoin Profit Secrets. Discover the methods and techniques used by the most successful Bitcoin investors so you too can profit and succeed. We've covered all the bases and left no stone unturned in the most comprehensive guide the Bitcoin world has ever seen. The third bonus is Cryptocurrency Secrets, the ultimate method to growing your money with cryptocurrency. So what are you waiting for? Take the plunge. Click the button below and start profiting from NFTs.
So there I played the demo video. I'm just checking my mic here quickly. So not the demo video, actually the sales video. And okay, let me wrap up with these wise words. So those bonuses for buying NFT profits with my link are all included in the price of only $7. This course is only $7 for the front end. And if you're interested in those, there are a couple of upsells too. Be sure to use the link in the description below. You can see my hand. And while you're at it, please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, which will help me with the YouTube algo. You can also benefit from being notified about other great products hitting the market. And if you like NFTs, you definitely do not want to miss out on these bonuses from me. Thanks for watching and take care.